June 27th, this tap was left on and that sink apparently is slightly clogged. It was overflowing. Water, you can hear the squishiness. Water all under my feet. Somehow was mostly contained in the bathroom. And then as coming downstairs, you can see it dripping from that corner. And most of the water was coming through that outlet onto the main floor. And then again, you can see the glisten. There's a pretty solid layer of water. And you can see even the back of the couch has been soaking up water. Don't know how. And of course, it's made its way to the basement. You can see water cooling up in there. Fair bit of water has fallen into the basement. And that's that. It's sort of just dripping through the suspended ceiling here.